You're welcome to solve this nice radical square root problem. Now, we are going to apply three methods to solve this problem, which is the square root of 48 times 49 times 50 times 51 plus 1. Now, from here, let's provide a solution. Let's start with method 1. So here we have the square root of 48 times 49 times 50 times 51 plus 1. The next step is that we just let 48 to be equal to x. Now, substituting the value of x, we'll have here x times 49 is the same thing as x plus 1. 50 is the same thing as x, that is 48 plus 2. Then 51 is the same thing as x plus 3, then plus 1. Now, the next step from here, we'll have x times x plus 3. So this is x times x plus 3. Then we'll have x plus 1 times x plus 2, then plus 1. So the next step here, we'll have, so from here, we'll have x times x, this is x squared, then x times 3x, this is now plus 3x, close the bracket here. Then we have here x times x, this is x squared, then x times plus 2, this will become plus 2x, then plus 1 times x, this is x, then plus 1 times 2, this is 2, then plus 1. And this is the square root. The next step from here, you find that we'll have the square root of x squared plus 3x, close the bracket here. Then here we have x squared plus 2x plus x, this is 3x, then plus 2, close the bracket, then plus 1. The next step here, the next step from here, you see that this part and this part is the same. So we can say let m be equal to x squared plus 3x. Let's substitute this. So here we'll have the square root of, this is m. Now since m is equal to x squared plus 3x, therefore you'll have the square root of m into the bracket m plus 2 plus 1. So this implies that here we have the square root of m times m, which is m squared, plus 2 times m, which is 2m, then plus 1. Now from here we can express this as the square root of m squared plus 2 times m, then plus 1 squared. Now actually, as you can see, this is actually in the form of a squared plus 2 times a times b, then plus b squared. Now, which you can actually express as a plus b squared. Applying this algebraic identity, then this is the same thing as the square root of m plus 1 squared. So we can be able now to eliminate the square root sign. Let's simplify here so that now we'll have m plus 1. But we know that m is equal to x squared plus 3x. As you can see here, x squared plus 3x. So substituting this, This means that we have here x squared plus 3x plus 1. But we also know that x is equal to 48. So substituting the value of x, this implies that here we have 48 squared plus 3 times 48, then plus 1. So we can express 48 squared as, this is the same thing as 50 minus 2 squared plus 3 times 48, which is equal to 144, then plus 1. Now, 50 minus 2 squared, this is in the form of a minus b squared, which we can express as a squared minus 2 times a times b, then plus b squared. So that here we'll have 50 squared. This is the same thing as 50 squared minus 2 times 50 times 2, then plus 2 squared, which is equal to 4, then plus 144 plus 1. So this implies that here we have 50 squared, which is 2500. Then subtract 50 times 2, this is 100 times 2, this is 200. Then plus, this is 4 plus 144, which is 148 plus 1, this is 149. So let's proceed. So 50 squared, this is equal to 2500. Subtract 50 times 2, 100 times 2, this is 200. Then plus, this is 4 plus 144, which is 148 plus 1, 149. So this implies that here we have 2500 minus 200. This is 2300, then plus 149. So here we have 2300 plus 149. So that now here we have 9. This is 4, this is 4, and this is 2. So we have the solution here, 2449. So this is the solution by applying method 1. Let's proceed to method 2. Applying method 2 here, we have the square root of 48 times 49 times 50 times 51 plus 1. So this implies that here we'll have the square root of, we have 48 times 51, so 48 times 51. And then here we'll have 49 times 50, so 49 times 50, then plus 1. So we have 48 times 51. So this is the same thing as 8 times 1. This is 8, then 4 times 1. This is 4. 8 times 5, this is 40. 0 carry 4. Then 5 times 4, 20 plus 4, 24. So here we have 8. We have 4, 4 and 2. So this is 24, 48. The second part here is 49 times 50. Let's multiply here. So 0 times 5, this is 0. 9 times 5, this is 45. So 5 carry 4. Then 5 times 4, 20 plus 4, this is 24. So the next step is that we'll have the square root of, here we have 24, 48 multiplied by 24, 50. 24, 50. So the next step from here, we can express 2448. We can express 2448 as 2449 subtract 1, and we can express 2450 as 2449 plus 1. Close the bracket and then plus 1. So here we have plus 1 here. So this implies that this particular part here, this is in the form of a minus b. And this particular part here, this is in the form of a plus b. And given that a minus b multiplied by a plus b, this is the same thing as a squared minus b squared. Applying this identity, then this follows that here we'll have the square root of 2449 squared, subtract 1 squared, then plus 1. So here we have the square root of 2449 squared, then we have minus 1 plus 1. So this part here, that's minus 1 plus 1, this is actually equal to 0. So that now here we have the square root of 2449 squared, whereby we can eliminate the square root sign, so that now the solution here is 2449. So this is the solution by applying method 2. Let's proceed to method 3. Now applying method 3 here, we have the square root of 48 times 49 times 50 times 51, then plus 1. Now applying method 3, we'll have to multiply the extremes, that is the extremes, which is, in this case, we have the square root of 48 times square root, that is 49, times 50 times 51, then plus 1. So let's multiply the extremes here, which is 48 times 51. Then from here, we add 1. So this implies that we have 48 times 51. And in this case, this is 8 times 1, which is 8. 4 times 1, this is actually equal to 4. 8 times 5, this is 40, so 0 carry 4. Then 5 times 4 is 20 plus 4, this is 24. So now, this is 8, this is 4, 4 and 2. So here we have 24, 48, then plus 1. So that now we have 2449. And this is the solution. So kindly in the comment section, suggest other formulas or the method that you can be able to use to settle this. Thank you for watching. Kindly follow the steps, like this video, and subscribe.